If you ever find yourself alone during a medical emergency, remember this: what you do in the next few moments can decide everything. Many people freeze or panic when help is not there yet. But there are 4 critical steps that can keep you alive, calm, and in control until professional help arrives. So stay with me till the end, because even one of these steps could one day save your life or someone you love. The very first step is to stay calm. Take a deep breath, slowly in and slowly out. Panic makes your heart beat faster and your body weaker. But calm breathing helps your brain stay clear and your hands steady. Say this to yourself: I am safe. Help is coming. Repeat it with each breath. It will keep your body from going into shock and help you think clearly. Remember, every second you stay calm is a second closer to survival. The next step is to call for help. Even if you feel you can handle it alone, do not delay. Call your local emergency number right away. Put the phone on speaker and stay on the line. If you live alone, keep your phone within reach at all times, especially near your bed or chair.
Of course.
Emergency operators are trained to guide you step by step. Follow their voice carefully. They will help you stay focused and remind you what to do next. Sometimes people hesitate. They think they do not want to bother anyone. But remember this: help can only come if you ask for it. Once help is on the way, check your body quickly. Is there bleeding? Are you having chest pain or trouble breathing? If you are bleeding, press firmly on the wound with a clean cloth or towel. Keep pressure steady until help arrives. If you feel pain in your chest, loosen any tight clothing and stay seated. Do not lie flat. Keep your breathing slow and even. Notice your surroundings and make sure you are in a safe position. You are not trying to fix everything. You are only keeping things stable until trained help reaches you. This final step is simple but powerful. Stay awake. Keep talking to yourself or to someone on the phone. If you start feeling weak or sleepy, move your fingers and toes. Keep your mind active by repeating calm words like, I am strong, I am breathing, I am safe. Your voice and movement help your brain stay alert. It also helps rescuers find you faster if you are on the phone or nearby. Staying awake can make all the difference between recovery and collapse. You have done everything right. You recognized the warning. You stayed calm. You acted fast. Now help is on the way. Keep breathing slowly and repeat this once more. I am safe. Help is coming. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and your calmness is your greatest protection.